Have you guys been using the Filmora editing app and wondering on how to add the auto caption on it? Then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add auto caption in the Filmora app. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Filmora app just like this. Now tap on it. After opening the app, make sure you have added the photo or video that you want to edit, just like this. Now to add the auto caption, tap on to text option just right here. Now tap on it. Then here you can find the AI captions just right here. Now select it. Now to add the caption, simply tap on to add captions just right here. Now tap on it. Now wait for a few seconds. And now you can see the caption has been added. That's it. This is how you can add the auto caption in the Filmora app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.